To begin with, this new pest killer is a DDT preparation. We realize what that means. Once a bug comes in contact with DDT, he's lost. All he has to do is just walk on any pesteroid-treated surface. DDT is absorbed through the feet and spreads throughout the insect's entire nervous system. The effect is disastrous. DDT seems to literally drive bugs crazy. But not for long. DDT next paralyzes, then kills.
The Indian government signed the Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants, also known as POPs, in May 2002. Since the Stockholm Convention came into force in 2004, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, also known as DDT, has been categorized as one of the persistent organic pollutants, followed by its ratification in January 2006. Despite this, India and a few African nations have requested an exemption for the use of DDT in vector control. India is the only registered DDT producer in the world. However, it has committed to phase out DDT gradually and replace it with suitable non-POPs alternatives. The United Nations Industrial Development Organization and the United Nations Environment Programme are working with India in implementing a global environment facility supported project titled Development and Promotion of Non-POPs Alternatives to DDT, such as long-lasting insecticidal nets, Bacillus thuringiensis based product and neem based products. UNEP has assigned Toxics Link to develop guidance documents to support producers, registration holders and users in meeting the legal requirements for DDT alternatives and thus facilitate a smooth transition to environmentally friendly alternatives. The guidance documents were developed in consultation with partners and various stakeholders such as Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, State Department of Agriculture, Ministry of Ayush, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, and UNIDO, among others. All the relevant acts and rules were referred to while preparing the guidance documents. For example, insecticides and insecticidal products like BT-based products and LLINs are regulated by the Insecticides Act 1968 and the Insecticides Rules 1971. At present, neem-based products for mosquito control can either be registered as insecticides or drugs depending on the composition of the product. The neem-based products for use as household insecticides containing azadirachtin, the active ingredient in neem, are regulated under the Insecticides Act 1968 and Rules 1971. The guidance documents developed mainly highlight regulatory processes to be followed to start a new business or manufacturing facility in India, which includes setting up a legal existence, starting a unit, pre-commissioning phase and post-commissioning phase. The documents also highlight the steps to be followed by the producers or registration holders for inclusion of LLINs and BT-based products in the public health program under National Center for Vector-Borne Diseases Control. The guidance documents also provide instructions for users while using these alternatives. Some of the instructions are: for LLINs, the users need to keep the LLIN safely after completing its lifespan of 3 years and can use it as plain nets because the insecticide content would have been washed off. For BT-based products, the concerned state agencies should check the quality of sprayers, including necessary safety measures to prevent any harm from them. For neem-based products, the users should also be made aware that if the product is for external use, such as room sprays, it should not be applied to the body. For more details, please contact Toxics Link. The documents are available in Bengali, English, Hindi, and Odia. Toxics Link has also created IEC materials for users and producers in these languages, including Marathi.